So very good morning students. Welcome to Karthik IAS Academy YouTube channel. We are into 9th video of this series, Logical Reasoning PYQ series. Today we are going to see coding and decoding topic. Coding and decoding normally it's very easy. So generally this so any words is coded means we need to decode it. That's how the idea. See say for example if A B C D is coded as B, C, D, E means what is the meaning is each word actually they added one. Understand? Each letter they added one. So that is one type of coding. Understand? So they may add one letter, they may subtract one letter, they may add two letters, they may add two letters. So plus or minus three, or like that it is possible. Alternate coding, first letter plus one, second letter minus one, first one minus one, like that. Here, two things you have to be careful. Understand? See, for the letters we need to know the numbers first. Understand? For that, generally A means 1, B means 2, like that, Z means 26. But writing this itself will take 5 minutes of our time, right? So writing then and then decoding is not possible. So try to remember this word, EJOT, EJOTY, which means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Remember this, that's more than enough. Say for example, Ramu means what you have to do is R. Say the sequence RST, so 18. A obviously 1. MNO, so 13. TU, so 21. That's all. Within a second, we can write the coding. Understand? Once you coded, understand? You no need to code. What I'll suggest is for some questions only we need to code to numbers. Generally, how many letters after it, how many letters before it, how many letters left in between. Like that, if you code it, that will be easier way. Okay, while solving questions, we'll see. Understand? So here, 64 is written as 343, 216 is written as 729, 512 is written as. See, number series also, I will let you know this. Definitely, you have to memorize at least 20 square numbers and 10 cube numbers. Understand? So 64 they coded as 343. 216 they coded as 729. See, 64 is actually 8 square and 4 cube. It is also a square number, it is also a cube number. But 343 we know that it is 7 cube. 216 it is 6 cube. Understand? This is 9 cube. So everything is cube, so I'll leave this 8 square, I'll take it as 4 cube. 4 cube becomes 7 cube, 6 cube become 9 cube. So plus 3 the whole cube, that's all right. So then question is 512. 512 will be coded as what? 512 is actually 8 cube. 8 cube will become 11 cube. 11 cube is 1331, that's all. Understand? So we need to know the square numbers and cube numbers, and then based on that we need to answer this question. Clear? That's the idea. No is coded as 210. No, not, note, notes. That's what they mentioned. No is coded as 210, 4200, 21,000. What is the question? See, no, MNO, right? So 14 and 15. We know that 14 and 15 multiplication is 210, right? So no already there. So 210 into T means what? It is 20. So 420. So 4200 into E 5. So that's all. 21000 into S. S means ST 19. So 190, 380, 399. So 399,000. That's all. That's how we need to solve this question. France is coded as 645. See, compare these two. France, Germany. First and foremost, we have to see is, see in both the places I am seeing E. In France, they coded as E. The last letter is 5. Understand? Second letter. So here also 1. So E means 1. So direct coding they have done. Understand? So Yemen, YEMEN we need. So obviously this is 1 and this is 1. Understand? So remaining this is eliminated. Now M. M is there in Germany. Middle one. What is middle one? 8. So M it is 8. So 181 it has to be. So these two eliminated. That's all. You don't need to find Y and N. So just find the values and then eliminate it. A, B, C, D is written as 124. See, A, B, C, D. We know that it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 24 means obviously they are product. If you want to confirm E, F, G, H. E, F, G, H is 5, 6, 7, 8. Once 5 comes, it has to be end in 0. Yes, it is ending in 0. 1680. So now they are asking I, J, K, L. 9, 10, 11, 12. 9, 10, 11, 12. Understand? So you just see the ending digit first. Unit digit. With the unit digit, we can solve this question. We don't need to multiply. Obviously, it should end with 0. And then 9 into 1 into 2. So 8. It should end with 80. So this is the answer. Or else, if you are not strong in unit digit, then you have to multiply. That's the only way. So that's all. Clear? Part means a top. Trap means a part. Arena means what? Understand? See, part, they reverse it and they put A. Understand? They reverse it and they put A. Similarly, trap, first they reverse it, part, and then A they have added, apart. Understand? Similarly, arena. Arena. Understand? A-N-E-R-A. Anira. One more A you have to put. A-N-E-R-A. Understand? A-N-E-R-A. That's all right. That's the logic. So easy. Now 24 question. PQRST 4, 5, 10, 12, 15. It is known that which letter represents which number. Understand? So here, so we can consider this as a number system question also. PQRST. Okay. See here, the numbers they gave are 4, 5, 10, 12 and 15 among these 5. Q minus S is equal to 2S. Then what is Q? Obviously 3S, right? Q is 3 times of S, means 3 times what is possible. So 4 means it is 12. That is one possibility. 5 means it is 15. That is another possibility. Each one is coded with the similar one. So T is equivalent to R plus S plus 3. R plus S, these two together plus 3. Understand? Now, what are all the options we have? Other than 12, 4, 5, 10, 15 is possible. Other than 4, 10, 15 is 12 is possible. Correct? That's all right. 5, 10 and so here, understand, P may be R plus S is T. Understand? 10 plus 4 is not possible. 5 plus 4, R plus S plus 3. Understand? So here, even if I put 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So if I put 5, 12 comes again, so which is not possible. Understand? So if I put 4 here, 4 plus 9, 9 plus 3, 12. So 5 and 12 we have done, 10 we can make it. That's how the idea. Understand? What is the value of P plus R minus T? P plus R minus T. 14 minus 12, 2. Maybe a number system question also, but since coding decoding mentioned, I just took in this here also. And number system video also, we'll see it in detail. Okay, 0 is written as CHUR, player is written as what is the question. Okay, so that's where we have to be careful. 0, CHUR. See, Z, right? A and B is missing. E, F, G is missing. R, S, T is missing. P, Q is missing. Okay, So while moving forward, next two letters is missing. So that's the easiest way than converting into numbers and then seeing. Understand? But we need to identify first. Once you identified, you no need to do like this. P. QR is missing. Yes. Understand? So everything is starts with S. L. MN is SO. BC. D. SOD. Understand? So this is ruled out. Y, Z, A, B, SODB. Understand? SODB. FG, H has to come. BH. Understand? BH. ST, U has to come. That's all. So that's how we need to solve this question. Clear? So convert it and then make it. A coding language, mathematics is written as this. Chemistry will be written as. So try to understand first mathematics. L B S I D N Z U H D R. So chemistry. Okay. LM -1, right? AB +1. One letter before, one letter later. HI. That's all right. Till this. One letter before, one letter plus. So -1 +1. It starts with -1, correct? So one letter before, it is B. One letter later, HI. So it should start with BI. So this is rolled out, this is rolled out. Next is D. So one letter before it is D. One letter later it is N. BIDN has to come. That's all. You don't need to do everything. Understand? Eliminate the options. That is more important. Like similar to paper 1, paper 2 is also see the options and then start the question. Understand? So don't try to complete the question. Understand? So try to go with the options. The letters from A to Z are numbered 1 to 26. It is clearly given. GHI. GHI. We know that E, F, G, H, I, J. So 7, 8, 9. Right? But they code it as 1578. It's just a double. Understand? So similarly, D, E, F, 4, 5, 6, 9, 12. So it's just a double. So what is A, B, C? They are asking. It is 1, 2, 3, right? Double it. 2, 4, 6. 3-digit number. Okay. So it's just code it and then double it. Consider it as a 3-digit number. That is more important. All these type of questions very easy. So what you have to do is see first letter coding A B, the next letter itself. C D is missing. P Q R is missing. Q Q R S T, 3 letter is missing. That's all right. So similarly M, next letter is N. N M N O is missing. P. G H I is missing. J. N P J. Understand? I J K L is missing. M. So N P J M is the answer. So just you no need to convert into numbers and then so how many letters missing? The immediate letter, next letter, and then one letter missing, 2 letter missing, 3 letter missing. That's the easiest way to solve these questions. L S J X V C is coded for Mumbai. Understand? Mumbai was coded like this. Similarly, the code for Delhi they are asking. Okay, -1, one letter before. Okay, S T U. T is missing. Say J K L is missing. Understand? So from the down, if you go X, Y Z A is missing. V U V W X Y Z A is D E F G H, 5 letters missing. That's all right. So immediately before it is C. It should start with C. And then D is missing, C, double C. Everywhere double C, only one it is not there. HIJKL, JKIJK, CCI. This is missing. And then EFGH. So it should come D. CCID. That's all. Should sort like this. From this, next letter, one letter missing, two letter missing, three letter missing in between. That's a gap we need to identify. Okay. Then Raman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dinesh. So now compare these two. N is there, right? So N is there here. N is there here. Third number is 5 here. Last number is 5 here. So N means 5. Then what is M? Because we need a hammam, right? M is actually third one, 3. So it should be 3, 3. So there is only one letter, 3, 2, 3. That's all. With the M alone we can solve this question. And yeah, A means 2. So like this we can solve this question. Clear? In a certain code, 256 means red color chalk. 589 means green color flower. 254. See, compare first 256 and 589. Understand? 256 and 589. I am seeing 5 here. Understand? In both the language, it is 5. Understand? Both the coding, it is 5 is there. Similarly, red color chalk, green color flower. If I see, I am seeing 5 means color. 5 means color. Understand? 254. 254 is also here. Everywhere color is there. 5 means color. Once you identify 5 means color, everywhere you cancel first. 5 means color, 5 means color, 5 means color. Understand? Red chalk, white chalk. Understand? First 2 and 6. So here 5 I am cancelling. Now if I compare these two, 2 means I am getting. 2 means what? Chalk. 2 means chalk. So once you find 2 means chalk, cancel it. Chalk you cancel it. So now red means 6. White means 4. Understand? 8, 9 we can't. Green flower. All are important in coding. Understand? White is coded as 4. That's all right. Okay. System, sysmet, nearer A. And so here, see, SYS, first off, second off is reversed. Understand? Here, if you see, first off is reversed, second off also reversed. So they are splitting into 2 offs and then reverse it. That's all. CARF NOIT. CARF NOIT. That's so types of coding. Each letter will be coded. Some pair codings will happen. Reverse coding will happen. Equal off coding will happen. All those questions. Coding decoding means you need to get familiarized with what are all the techniques. That's all. Understand? So similarly, artificial language questions we can solve. Thank you. Thank you. See you in next video.